Did you know there's a dinosaur-like species that still exists today? This is the shoebill bird, one of the most terrifying-looking birds on Earth. It's called a shoebill because of its massive shoe-shaped beak and its intense, unsettling stare. But the beak isn't the only thing that makes this bird unique. The sound it creates just as strange. When shoebills communicate, their beaks produce a loud clattering noise that sounds almost like machine gun fire. And honestly, it can feel pretty creepy. Its scientific name is Balliniceps rex, and the word rex makes many people compare it to the legendary T-Rex dinosaur because of its prehistoric appearance. Shoebills usually live in large swamps and wetlands across Africa. They are incredibly patient hunters, capable of standing completely still for hours, waiting for prey to come close. These birds also prefer living alone, making them seem even more mysterious. Sadly, despite how fascinating they are, shoebills are now considered a rare species due to habitat destruction caused by humans.